In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images using Canva. First, let's begin by setting the stage. You'll need to log into your Canva account and have the images ready that you want to blend. Once you're inside Canva and have your design open, head over to the Upload section, which you'll find on the left side panel. This is where you'll easily drag and drop your images. You can either upload them from your device or directly from a cloud service like Dropbox or Google Drive. Once uploaded, you'll want to overlap these images in your design. This overlapping step is crucial because it sets up the blending effect we're aiming to achieve. After positioning your images just right, look for the effects option found above your canvas. Selecting this will reveal various editing tools. Among these, you'll find the Image Blender tool. This tool is where the magic of blending begins. It will take your overlapped images and start merging them seamlessly. Remember, subtlety can often be the key here. You don't want one image completely overshadowing the other unless that's the specific look you're going for. Once you've selected the image blender, the next step is to actually blend the selected image. There is usually an intuitive slider available. This slider allows you to fine-tune how much blending you want between the images. By sliding it, you're adjusting the opacity level, effectively controlling how much of each image is visible. Now take a closer look at the blending options. One of the most useful effects you can apply is called the radial option. Choosing this creates a centered blend that can make your design more visually appealing. It produces a softer transition between images, which is great for highlighting the central part of your image while blending the edges. With the radial blend selected, it's time to make further adjustments for that perfect look. Simply drag the adjustment handles to achieve your desired outcome. Don't be afraid to experiment with different positions and settings here. It's all about creativity and finding what looks best to you. Finally, after you're satisfied with how everything looks, the last but crucial step is to save your work. In Canva, there's a clear save button typically located above your canvas. Clicking this ensures that all your design efforts are preserved, safely stored in your Canva account for future use or immediate download. And there you have it, a beautifully blended image right from the comforts of Canva. It's incredible how these few simple steps can transform your regular images into a cohesive masterpiece. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you feel empowered to get creative with your image blending. Happy designing.